Today we're unboxing the MagSafe Battery Pack. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. You may have seen my other videos where we unboxed and took a look at the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, as well as accessories like the silicone case with MagSafe. So if you do have that silicone case, then the built-in magnets should mean that the MagSafe Battery Pack just snaps into place when you bring it near, and it should automatically start charging your iPhone without the need to flick any switches to turn it on or off. The battery pack is also quickly and easily detachable, so when you're done using it to charge up your phone on the go, you just pull it off, and you don't have to deal with the additional bulk. The battery pack should be compatible with the iPhone 12 or 13, and Apple lists the amount of additional charge that you should expect depending on the specific model. So for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple say to expect up to 40% additional charge. Earlier, when I mentioned about the magnets, you might have been thinking, whoa, wait, hold on, magnets near electronics? That can't be good. So just for some reassurance, Apple say that the battery pack should not interfere with your credit cards or key fobs. I'm no expert on this, so I imagine that they have done their testing, and I think we're going to have to just take Apple's word on that. Now you're probably wondering, how much is this all going to cost? The MagSafe Battery Pack is currently listed at £99, but bear in mind, in true Apple fashion, the USB-C power adapter and lightning cable are sold separately, so you might need to budget a bit for those if you don't have spare ones to hand. On the plus side, you should be able to charge your MagSafe Battery Pack separately, as well as at the same time as your iPhone, by attaching it to your case when charging your phone. You should be able to check battery levels from the batteries widget on your home screen. Overall, there's a lot to like about the MagSafe Battery Pack, especially the extra battery boost to help keep your iPhone going, and the fact that it's detachable, so you're not left with an overly bulky case as a permanent feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the new videos.